today have come to Coimbatore.
Yeah, today we are very happy that our National Working President has visited Tamil Nadu, particularly Coimbatore, our strong base. And we are very happy, second time within short period. Second time he has visited Tamil Nadu. First on the transit of Puducherry, he visited all of us and we met him. And really we are happy because frequent visit of our central leaders, frequent visit of our central ministers really makes us very strong, and we are motivated by their visits, and we are very happy the auspicious Pongal was inaugurated by our Home Minister, and that Pongal celebration is continuing, and that celebration will continue in 2026 elections also.
Decision is going to be
Decision, core committee meeting is there. It is a democratic meeting, so we can exchange our views, and that's all, because I cannot say what all we are going to talk. We will talk to strengthen NDA and to get our success in 2026.
Do you think that this election work had started in Tamil Nadu?
Definitely our work has started because we have conducted our conferences, our wing conferences, youth wing conferences going to be conducted, and farmer conferences has been conducted. Yesterday, a grand program at Tirupur. Our Nainar Nagendran is going on, he's on procession. So all these things are, we have started, and SIR, the process, and all our booth committee members are on verification of SIR. So we have started our work.
Okay. Regarding this Jananayaka movie certification issue, that Vijay had made a tweet that criticized the central government and the censor board also on this matter.
No, actually censor board is an independent body. Whoever in the cine field, they know it is an independent body. The decision is based on the views of the members and the message from the film. So if there any controversy, there will be some appeal to remove it or something. I don't know the exact, but it is exclusively, it is a matter between the film producer and the censor board. Not with the central government. It's censor board, not with central government.
But the opposition parties as well as the TVK members and office bearers are criticizing that because the movie contains something about the central government and state, attacking the central government and state government.
No. Actually, why censor gave certificate to Parasakti? Parasakti is also a political movie. Nobody can say Parasakti is not a political movie. So it's not biased. If it is central government is biased against the political movies, then Parasakti, how it got the certificate. Said there is no any connection between the central government, political connection between the censor. It's exclusively the decision of a censor board.
Okay, that CBI had made a summon to Vijay to appear.
Yeah, law should take its own course. Whoever may be the person, they have to obey the legal procedures. So it is one of the legal procedures he has to attend.
Yeah, do you think that he may be convicted or he may be...
No, I am not a judge. I cannot judge on things. I cannot give verdicts. I can only just tell you the message.
41 lives had been...
No, it's very sad that 41 lives. But what's the reason that the inquiry is going on? I am not a person to give conclusion for that.
No, you were just talking about to strengthen NDA before this elections.
No, not we. Already we are strong. We'll be much stronger.
Yeah, only ADMK, BJP and one or two parties.
What PMK is there?
PMK only just one faction is only had joined.
PMK is there, and all the factions will be adding to us. But what happened to India Alliance?
Okay.
Congress is disintegrated into 4 or 5. We are telling PMK 2. Congress is 4 or 5 now. Yeah. How we are going to unite that 4 or 5? First, let them unite that. We are united, no problem.
If Vijay willing to join BJP, will you?
No, I don't want to comment on speculations.
If he's interested to join,
my leaders will look after that.
thank you.
Okay, thank you, madam.